Hey guys, Dan from Futura Trailers here. Today we are really excited to announce the release of our brand new tilt deck trailer. Futura Trailers are world-renowned premium trailer experts who specialise in a lowering trailer system. The tilt deck trailer is a more cost-effective solution to carting your smaller vehicles. The tilt deck trailer is perfect for carrying those smaller vehicles, race cars, track cars, side-by-sides and ATVs, even your classic cars. It has a lot of the same features as our popular lowering trailers, such as the fully anodised deck, chassis rails and torsion arm suspension. Today I'm going to take you through some of these key features that put our tilt deck trailer in a league of its own. The tilt deck system is operated by this easy to use hydraulic ram. You simply unclip from the drawbar. On both sides, these are the safety catches which hold the drawbar to the deck. Grab your handle and simply start pumping. Once the deck is tilted up, it is automatically locked, and with a 10-degree approach angle, you can take your vehicle on and off safely. The Futura tilt deck trailer comes in a single axle, making this a really easy to manoeuvre trailer and fit into some of those smaller spaces. With a deck size of 4 metres by 1.95 metres or 13 feet by 77 inches, the tilt deck is perfect for those compact vehicles. Weighing in at just 300 kilos or 660 pound, the tilt deck trailer has a load capacity of 1400 kg or 3100 pounds. Check out this genius license plate holder. Folds out of the way to put your load on and off, and then back down. Once you want to get underway again, you're secured nicely in place. For your convenience, the tilt deck trailer has our flared tail, which makes the loading and unloading much easier because it gives you a wider access point to line up with. The new tilt deck trailer features our patented airline track, machined straight into the chassis rails. This gives you multiple tyre points no matter what size your vehicle, and the peace of mind knowing that your load is nicely secured. Loading and unloading your vehicle with the tilt deck trailer is so easy. Simply undo your Futura tie downs, undo the safety latches on the drawbar, tilt the deck up using the hydraulic ram, drive the vehicle on and off.